Getting ready to do your payroll tax annual reconciliation. If you pay wages that exceed the New South Wales payroll tax threshold, you are required to lodge an annual reconciliation by 21 July each financial year. Before you begin, you will need certain information including client ID and correspondence ID, New South Wales wages, interstate wages, your ABN, apprentices and new entrant trainees, and tax paid records if you have made monthly payments. To log in, use your client ID and correspondence ID from your most recent payroll tax letter or booklet. You will also be asked to enter challenge text to proceed. If you cannot read the challenge text, choose a new one by selecting Click to get a new challenge. All mandatory questions are marked with an asterisk. Enter your details in the relevant field. When you have completed the questions, selecting Save is the only way to save any data you have entered. If you're not part of a group, select No. To proceed, select Next. If you have not used the monthly calculator, you will need to fill in the wage details for the employing period. You will also need to include an estimate of the monthly wages for the following financial year. To proceed, select Next. Any payments you have made throughout the year will be displayed against each return period. A summary of the calculations is available to confirm you have entered the correct details. If your tax payable is more than the payments received, it will show you the amount outstanding. If your tax payable is less than the payments received, it will show you the refund amount. For a more detailed summary, select Show Tax Calculation Details. If you are due a refund, you will need to give an explanation why you are requesting a refund in the Provide a Detailed Explanation box. And you will need to enter your bank account details. Once you've entered your refund details, select Lodge to lodge your return. If you need to make a payment to finalise your annual reconciliation, you need to select Lodge to receive your payment options. Choose Register to pay via direct debit, or choose other payment options to use EFT, BPay, credit card, or to pay at Australia Post. Once you have lodged, you will receive a confirmation by email. You can select Print a confirmation of lodgement or generate PDF of reconciliation to save an electronic copy. You can also choose cancellation of registration if you are no longer liable for payroll tax. For more information about payroll tax and the annual reconciliation, go to the Revenue New South Wales website at www.revenue.nsw.gov.au.